Alright, I'm going to show you what you want to look for when you have a washing machine that's electric that will not start. This washing machine is a GE model. The model number is right there. WCSR2090G3WW. Now, this should be a very easy fix. Now, first, what you want to do is make sure it's plugged in and it's getting proper voltage. Best way to do that is actually take the plug out, hook a multimeter up to it, and make sure it's getting 120 from the black to the neutral and 120 from the black to the ground. If you're doing that, it's getting proper voltage. I already did that a few minutes ago, so what I'm going to do is plugged in. Now, I'm just going to push in on the knob, which should engage the timer, and you should be able to turn this to where the needle is going to a setting, but you notice it's not. It's just spinning freely. Now, this could be one of two problems, but here's how to look at it. First, just to be safe, go ahead and unplug it from the wall. Second, pull out the knob, which is going to create a small little space back here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's actually a plastic clip that you're looking at right there. Now you notice you can't just pull this out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a pair of needle nose pliers, and I'm actually going to insert it right there and see if I can take this clip out. Now that's all the clip is right there. Little horseshoe looking clip. Now go to the timer, pull the knob out. And as you can see, that clip just goes in that little slot right there, which keeps the knob on. Now what you want to look for is on the back of this timer, on the knob, those grooves right there, they're worn out. They should be pretty deep grooves. What that is if you look on the actual timer in the back, you see the grooves right there? That's what those grooves go to. You can see that the timer is actually getting worn out right there. You see on the top it's actually broken, or it looks to be broken from what I can see. But the plastic little teeth right there are getting worn out. So what you can do to fix this short term, this, as you can see, is getting worn out, but it is still looks to be in working condition. It may not work very long, but it may work. If you want to save some money and just get the knob, because you can see how flat those teeth are, what it's actually happening is when you push it in, it's not engaging, it's just sliding, as you can see. If you want, you can just replace the knob, which should only be about $3, maybe $4, and just see if it works. It may work short term because there are teeth right here, but eventually that timer is going to be needing to be replaced. And to do that, you actually just take this plate off, and you can actually see the timer in the back. So, and the only way to replace that is there's going to be on the back of the washing machine, there's going to be either Phillips screws or 1/4 inch screws, 1/4 inch nut driver, and all you got to do is simply take it out. This will fold down and you can take the timer out that way. But like I said, this should be a short-term fix, which is very inexpensive, but eventually long-term you're going to need to be able to replace this timer just so you know everything is going to be working correctly.